Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a 2-in-1 recipes with you. That's Mutton Kheema Idli and Kari Dosa. Check out the ingredients below and let's dive into the cooking process. Let's start by heating a pan and add a small amount of oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add 1 teaspoon of soam, 3 green chilli, and add 2 medium-sized onions and few curry leaves. Once the onions are well sauteed, let's add the ginger garlic paste. Saute them until the raw smell disappears. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and saute them well. To introduce the spices, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Aachi chili powder depending on your spice level. Let's sort all the ingredients thoroughly. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of mutton masala powder, any brand, and a salt, little water to cook the masalas well, and cover the pan with a lid for 5 minutes to let the oil come out and masala cook. Once the masala is cooked, let's put in the minced meat and mix well. Don't add any water as the meat releases. Now let's close the lid to let the meat cook. It took about 20 minutes for the meat to cook on a medium flame. Now let's add the chopped coriander leaves and check for the seasoning of salt. Our masala curry is ready. Now, first let's prepare the mutton keema idli. Your super soft mutton keema idli is now ready. Prepare Kari Dosa. Crack open the eggs in a bowl. Add salt and pepper. Whisk well and mix in the cooked masala mix. In a hot tawa pan, pour a ladle of dosa batter and spread it. Take a spoonful of red masala mix and spread it on the dosa. Sprinkle some coriander and curry leaves and drizzle some oil. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Press using a spatula so it crisps up and get cooked. Remove it and serve, and there you have it. Our delicious Kari Dosai and Mutton Kheema Idli is now ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try making this recipe at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more updates and share the love with your friends and family. Until next time, happy cooking!